Hello, welcome to Klein Farm Channel. Today I'm at Lowe's and I'm going to look at the new lawnmowers they got here and some other stuff they have. So right up front here, they have the John Deere section. Then they have Craftsman. Then over on this side they have Ariens and Craftsman, Zero Turns and Toro, and John Deere down there at that end. This here is a John Deere S180. And how much is that? $35.99 for the John Deere S180 riding tractor with the green mower deck. And they got a whole bunch of them here. They have some S170s. Let's here take a look at one. So John Deere S180, $35.99. Some halfway meaty tires on it, 54-inch mower deck, hydrostat transmission there, forward and reverse, parking brake, button for reverse, the little rabbit and the turtle are still on there, have a tow hitch on the back, have reflector mats on the back of it, reflectors on the back. And I would guess that these buttons make the pressure on the back of the seat more and less. Here's where you put the fuel in at, underneath the seat. Nice cup holder. What's this here? A little side pocket that closes pretty tight. That's pretty nice. Let's see here. Here's a sheet with all the specs on it. 24 horsepower V-twin, heavy duty hydrostat. That's where you turn the PTO on. Let's open the hood. Underneath here, big John Deere 24 horsepower engine. Little John Deere battery even. That does make it easy. Change the oil right there. You don't have to crawl underneath it or anything, just twist it right there for the oil change. That's pretty nice. Oil right there. And the handle for the raise and lower the deck. Pretty nice overall. Then these here are 170s, S170. They're noticeably smaller, but it has the front push bar too. All the S180s have that front push bar on the front too. Pretty nice. And the S170, $32.99, so good bit cheaper. Don't just stand there, sit here. These are 24 horsepower too. They have a 48-inch mower deck, and they have a cup holder and the little pocket here too. Seems they have everything that the S180 has, just a little bit smaller in size and a smaller mower deck. S130 here, it's the smallest one I've seen here. And it is $28.99 for the S130, and the S170 is $32.99, and the S180 is $35.99. Let's see how many horsepower this one is. The S130 is 22 horsepower. But other than that, the seat is different on the S130 too. The seat has two pieces on it, and the other two sizes have a solid seat. Well, this one has two pieces, and you can't adjust the back on the 130 here. Here we have an electric mower, Ego, 42-inch cut, $39.99. Little trunk there. Has a little screen on it. Power button. Has an impressive trailer hitch. That looks pretty heavy duty. It is not, oh, I guess it is hydrostat, but not with foot pedal. Has hand pedal hydrostat. Right there's where you plug it in at, the outlet. Plug it in. And I don't see a key, just a push button start. And ego. So 1.5 acres of runtime based on 6 battery. So I don't know, I wouldn't want a little electric one like that. The Craftsman's here, Craftsman tractors. It's a T3200 for $31.99. Nice red and black seat. It's really soft too. It's a really soft seat. A little fancier than the John Deere. The fuel goes in there. Rabbit and turtle. Parking brake. Key. But it has a cup holder. The little pocket here doesn't have a lid on it like the John Deere. Doesn't come with a battery apparently. Let's look under the hood. Kohler 24 horsepower. That's a pretty big fuel tank. Alright. T3200, and they have a little Craftsman rototiller there too. That's pretty cool. You don't see too many of them anymore. And there's a push mower there too. I'll get a closer look at that. And the Craftsman have the push bars. All of them here do. Let's walk back and see this. This push mower, $7.99, 24-inch cut, 163 cc. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's, you could put little branches or something in there and it'll mulch it up. Looks like all the cutting comes in there and this tube goes back, shoots out the back. That is pretty cool. I've never seen anything like that before. Very cool. There's a little Honda rototiller too. But the Craftsman one, cool. But there's the T3200 Craftsman, $31.99, and the T2400, $26.99. Has 46-inch cut. The bigger one has a 54-inch cut. Another 2400 there. And the T2200, $25.99. And it has a Craftsman 110, but there ain't a price on that. It is the smallest one here other than that one. It has no push bar. Has a 42-inch cut. And the small one here, 1939. But I don't know how much this one is. But Craftsman 2200 here. There's 2 shifter knobs there. They're pretty cool looking. Like, but let's come back and look at this push mower here, because this thing is cool. I've never seen anything like this. Has a bag to collect the trimmings. It looks like you can also shoot the trimmings up out of the back out of this. That thing is pretty cool. Lowes rental truck, $19 for the first 90 minutes. And they have some side-by-sides over there and golf cart. Let's take a look here. Canoe golf cart has a winch on the front. This is $9,000. Holy moly. Has a front basket. That's pretty cool. Has a dump box on the back. Big off-road tires. Stop and go. What? That's pretty cool. Nice comfy seat. Emergency brake. Forward, reverse, lights. Go. Emergency switch. Lights on. Power outlet. Oh, they're USB outlets. It's 4 cup holders. And this side-by-side right here, $10,000. Has a winch on the front too. Let's see here. 550 UTV gray. Has doors on it. Seat belts. Probably has a speedometer because it has screens on there. Has turn signals, lights. Part, reverse, neutral, high, low. Has glove box over there. Looks like a second glove box. Pretty cool. Dump bed. Pretty good suspension on there. Axes, and it's another unsaved one. And over here is a bunch more golf carts. Like a nice purple bluish one. Winch. I really like these front baskets. They're cool. I had them on a couple of my 4-wheelers and 3-wheelers. I like this color. And I think this one is electric. Yep, you plug it in there. Green, yellow, red. But pretty cool. There's some mirrors on it. A dump bed. Here's a gray one. Pretty much the same thing as that. But I like that color better. Red side-by-side. $750. $1199.99. $12,000. Same things as in the other one. And there's a old Ford Ranger. It's smaller than this side-by-side. And a couple more golf carts over here. It's a really nice Toyota right there. A gray one. There's a red one. And the red one here has 4 seats on it. And seat belts for all of them. Safety bar and seat belts. And the roof goes back over far enough to cover the back seat. That's pretty cool. Really soft seat. $10,000. Pretty cool. Say. Now we're gonna walk back over and look at the zero-turn mowers. Way over there. Let's take a look at these as we're walking by. Free air. And just look at these as we walk up by the Craftsman. They get smaller and bigger. Ego, John Deere. Over here, we got all zero turns. There's a Craftsman Z5400. Nice trailer. Looks like it folds up too. Let's see here. Kohler 22 horsepower, 7000 series, 3-year limited warranty. It does not have a trailer hitch on the back though. This is $31.99. And all my years I've never driven a zero turn mower. Not for lack of wanting to, but I prefer old tractors better than zero turns. Here's an Ariens Edge 42 inch deck. They're $34.99. Here's Ariens 52 Edge, $36.99. So $200 more. You get a whole lot bigger cut. Another 52 Time Cutter from Toro, $29.99. Toro used to be Wheel Horse, where Toro was bought out. Wheel Horse was bought out by Toro. So that's a bull now instead of a horse. But let's see, 42 inch cut, $29.99. This one $32.99. What's the difference? They're both 42 inch cut. 4 inch deeper top. I think these two are the exact same ones. They just have different prices at the front of it. Back there is a rake, a grass rake. Pull behind and catch up all the grass. This one here is $44.99. There's a very wide deck on it. Let's see how wide this one is. 54. Has a thing to hook up your hose to it to clean it off. Cup holder. A lot bigger seat, more comfortable seat than the smaller one here. It's one piece, the bigger one's two pieces. And right here you can see the size difference from this one to that one. Has a tow hitch on the back. It's a Kawasaki 23 horsepower engine. And the smaller one here is a Briggs & Stratton 22 horsepower 724cc engine. Toro, power you can count on. And this one here is a Toro Titan, and it's even bigger. Has really meaty tires on it. You'd think that'd tear up the grass, even these ones. The tires there on the biggest one, medium, the small one. Now they have like turf tires on them, so that wouldn't, but these bigger ones here, you'd think they'd tear up pretty good. That's a Kawasaki 24 horsepower, $6,099. Crazy. Another Titan there. Another one. And what's width on here? 60-inch mower deck on there. Then the John Deere Z370. These are electric. So these little John Deere zero turns here, they're electric. With a 42-inch mower deck on them. And a little screen on there. $63.99 for the John Deere Z370R electric zero turn mowers. And here's a little Ego 42-inch deck, all electric mower. I think if I was going to buy an electric mower, I'd probably buy a John Deere instead of an Ego, but an Ego is probably significantly cheaper. Let's see if we can figure out the price. It's not labeled. So I don't know the price on the Ego. It has a trailer hitch shell. Here, takes 6 batteries to run this. Minimum 15 amp required to operate. Arc lithium 56 volt batteries. Now I believe that the Ego, the battery, they use the exact same battery for all their power equipment. So you can use one of them batteries to operate the chainsaw, the leaf blower, whatever else they have. You just have to have more of them for the riding mower. And the John Deere here, I don't know how you open that. You probably plug these in, but the John Deere has that same pocket. Oh, even has a power outlet in there for, I don't know what kind of, it looks like some kind of cell phone charger. I don't know. Some kind of a cell phone charger, but it has that same little door on the handle, on the pocket there, that none of the other mowers that we've looked at have had on. But really nice Jeep. Well, that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, send a tip, please. Have a great day.